Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a room tour of the Quinta Inn Suites in Orlando, Florida. This is close to the Seaworld. This is a king bed suite, non-smoking. Brand new hotel, just opened up in 2019. King size bed, nightstands, alarm clock, sleeper sofa. We're up on the 3rd floor. This is the view from here. A little shower right now. Sleeper sofa, little table. You got some storage area, microwave, ice bucket, flat screen TV, a desk with a coffee maker, telephone, mini fridge, and another flat screen TV. 2 flat screen TVs. Then you got a closet, and now we'll continue into the bathroom. In the bathroom, you got your vanity with a sink. And in the suites, you got a shower tub combination. And some more artwork on the wall. And your toilet. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow along for more videos to come. Until next time.